want to live in a brand new condo building right on top of subway station or transportation hub, having 2 bedrooms, but with a budget of around just 600,000. What choice do we have if we want to stay in Greater Toronto area? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm bringing you one condo assignment from famous Transit City 5. So when Transit City 5 first launched 2 years ago, it was a very hard project. It came from the famous developer, Centercore. Just like the project which got launched 2 weeks ago, Prime. Centercore always introduced their project from AAA location. Transit City 5 is a great example. It's very next to Vaughan Metropolitan Centre. So this is a very new developing area. So if you visit VMC lately, you know it's got the terminal of TTC, and also the York Region bus terminal is there as well. A lot of new office buildings are being built, and some of the world top rank companies such as KPMG, PMC all moved their important branch into this area. It's attracting lots of white collars, gold collars to work in this area. Also, it's very close to York University. About 60,000 teachers and students are finding accommodation units in this neighborhood. So I see this area with bright future, no matter you're living here or want to invest in a unit to attract tenants. So let's take a look, see what the developer talk about this project themselves. With subway, 43 minutes you will arrive downtown Toronto. To Yorkdale Mall, it takes you less than 15 minutes.
There is no location in the city, in the entire GTA, that really creates a sense of connectivity like Transit City. A 9-acre park at your doorstep.
Unlike condo in
right
downtown,
door,
it's very
York
green.
Regional bus terminal right next door. 100,000 square foot YMCA facility, AAA office buildings, all of the key elements and ingredients you need to make a great city, a truly great city, exist here. To be connected into the TTC subway system means you're interconnected to everything that's going to happen as the city grows.
So you get it. Basically, very high score of transportation index is the unique selling point of this project. I myself is a investor for this project as well. All right, so let's take a look at this condo assignment. We're looking at a 1+1, but it's quite spacious. From the floor plan, I see it's close to 600 square feet. You can see we have a large bedroom. The size is about 120 square foot. So I think we can safe to say that for condo unit, our area of around 120 is quite spacious. Even the den, it's about 56, 60 square foot. So even though it was designed for study, I think in today's actual usage, it can be easily turned into a bedroom. The rest of the floor plan is quite functional. It's no space waste on just pure corridor. The calling price is 620,000. It is an assignment, so it's not put on MLS. You won't need to bid. So if everything about this unit attracts you, please feel free to talk to me. I'll help you to lock this unit. If you have any recent purchase plan, remember I can cater the property search for you to include those great deal exclusive listings. Looking forward to connecting with you soon.